Hello everyone, welcome back to Resto. Just a quick tip here, if you're working on anything where you need to extract some broken bolts, we're looking at this pan here. So this is a transmission cover pan, and I've got a bunch of broken bolts that were in there. And the simplest and quickest way to do this is use a little MIG welder. Take a nut that just fits over the old stud that's in there. You can see how it's broken. There, I got multiple that are broken. I want to try to save these nuts. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, put the nut on there. And what that's going to do is when I go ahead and weld this, the heat's also going to transfer to the nut, to the broken bolt, weld to the nut, and then I'll be able to extract it. The benefit of that is I keep the original nuts that are on there, and this is the quickest way to do it. To try to use vice grips and lubricant, it's almost a futile attempt. So if you have a little MIG welder, and if you don't, or if you do and you haven't started doing this, this is a quick way. Let me demonstrate how it's done, and that'll get you going on your project. Metal, what I like to do is just clean up that area and then just give it a little weld. And there it is. All right, so I did one from the front side here. Let's take a look at this. What I like to do is move it back and forth. I think this one will extract. Sometimes you'll have better luck from the front side because where it's sheared off, it jams into the threads. So that there did it. There it is. All right, let's get the rest of them done. All right, if you got some value out of the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video.